Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, most attractive, most likely women stylish haircut designs and ideas. Stylish pixie bob haircut designs and ideas, short and long haircut designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Every types of haircuts you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with most stylish, most demanding, most beautiful, most attractive women stylish haircut designs and ideas. Those ladies who love such type of stylish haircuts. You can see in this video adorable, charming, short haircuts like pixie, long pixie, short pixie, shaggy pixie, edgy pixie, messy pixie, spiky pixie. And when you more and more visit my channel, you can more many haircuts and hairstyling ideas like bob haircuts, long bob haircuts, short bob haircuts, graduated, inverted bob, blunty bob, blonde bob, pixie bob haircuts for western ladies. If you are uni college girl, if you are office going ladies, then you can easily apply these are all haircuts on your own hairs and you look like beautiful girl, like model and modern all celebrities like these short haircuts. My videos provides you all about 100% new trending short, long, pixie and curly cutting ideas. So you can visit my channel and like my videos, share my videos, see my information ideas about every style, haircuts, fashion. Friends, you can do it. You can easily make these very beautiful haircuts. You can make it at home yourself for your parties or casual dresses. You can get many more ideas in this my video. You can see in this video layered haircuts, long and short layer haircut designs and ideas. Most beautiful, most